Assalamu alaikum. Please look at this picture. This is a picture of tight plaster. Here the amputation is done. This is the gangrene finger but amputate on the index finger. Today we will discuss about malpractice. The second part, that is professional negligence. I am Professor Shah Alam, Professor of Forensic Medicine Toxicology, Ibrahim Medical College. মেডিকেল ম্যালপ্র্যাকটিসের দুটো অংশ, একটা হলো ইথিক্যাল ম্যালপ্র্যাকটিস অর ইনফেমাস কন্ডাক্ট, অ্যানাদার ইজ প্রফেশনাল নেগলিজেন্স। আজকের আমরা আলোচনা করব প্রফেশনাল নেগলিজেন্স সম্পর্কে। In the last class we discussed about the ethical malpractice, that is infamous conduct. Professional negligence or malpractice. At the end of session you will be able to define and classify medical negligence, that is professional negligence. Factors to be proved in a plea of malpractice. This is very much important. Preventive measure and defense of a malpractice suit or malpractice suit, and certain type of negligence. Let us see. প্রফেশনাল ম্যালপ্র্যাকটিস, আমরা আগেই বলছি ম্যালপ্র্যাকটিস এটা দুই ধরনের, একটা হলো ইথিক্যাল ম্যালপ্র্যাকটিস আর একটা হলো প্রফেশনাল ম্যালপ্র্যাকটিস। ইথিক্যাল ম্যালপ্র্যাকটিস অর ইনফেমাস কন্ডাক্ট যেটা আমরা আগে আলোচনা করেছি, প্রফেশনাল ম্যালপ্র্যাকটিস অর প্রফেশনাল নেগলিজেন্স বলা হয় এবং ম্যালপ্র্যাকটিস বলা হয়। Negligence, this is a legal term, not medical term. This negligence means act of omission and act of commission. Act of commission, act of omission. Act of commission are those which a reasonable person should not do it. সেগুলি তুমি করেছো, সেটা হলো act of commission. Act of omission, a reasonable person should not omit it, তুমি সেটা omit করে গেছো, সেটা হলো act of omission. Malpractice দুই ধরনের, একটা হলো সিভিল malpractice আর একটা হলো ক্রিমিনাল malpractice. One is civil malpractice, another is criminal malpractice. In your book by on case and Narayan Reddy, সেখানে তিন ধরনের তোমার আছে, কিন্তু malpractice যেটা আছে সেটা আসলে দুই ধরনেরই। One is civil malpractice, another is criminal malpractice. Now come to the definition of professional negligence or malpractice. সাধারণত এই প্রফেশনাল নেগলিজেন্স বা malpractice এটা আসে failure in regard to contractual obligation of due care. এই সিচুয়েশনে এই কোশ্চেন অফ malpractice or question of negligence arise. Now come to the definition of malpractice. Absence of reasonable care, absence of reasonable skill, that is absence of reasonable care and skill and or skill. Secondly, or gross lack of skill. Thirdly, willful negligence, whom on the part of a medical practitioner when in the treatment of a patient which causes bodily injury or death of the patient. তাহলে আমরা বলতে পারি absence of reasonable care and skill or gross lack of skill or willful negligence on the part of a medical practitioner in the treatment of patient which causes bodily injury or death of the patient. Question of negligence may arise. সাধারণত usually the failure in regard the contractual obligation of due care, এটা যখন failure হয় তখন এটা issue আসে। Question arise when a breach of a standard of care, breach of a standard of care occur in either in act of omission or act of commission. Let us see when Standard of care improperly deviated from accepted practice, either method, procedure, or treatment procedure. But standard of care adopt accepted practice. Standard of care adopt accepted practice, but unskillfully. In this situation, the question of malpractice may arise. Usually, a doctor is not liable an error of judgment or diagnosis, if secured all necessary data on which based such judgment. If the doctor follow the rational approach, then error of judgment, doctor will not be liable. For failure of cure or bad result that follow if exercise reasonable care and skill, তাহলেও কিন্তু doctor is not liable. Exercise reasonable care and skill provided his judgment confirmed accepted medical practice. And lastly, does not result to failure to do something or doing something contrary to the accepted medical practice. In this situation, doctor is not liable. Doctor is liable. There is a usual and normal practice, but that practitioner does not follow it. That is, practice was not adopted. That practice was not adopted. Then doctor will be liable. Practice adopted, but no professional man of ordinary skill will have taken this practice. In this situation, doctors will be liable. Let us see first civil malpractice. Civil malpractice is the absence of reasonable care and skill on the part of a medical practitioner in the treatment of patient which causes bodily injury or death of the patient. Here, in civil malpractice, it is only the simple absence of reasonable care or skill. Care and skill, this is totally different. Care and skill is not skill. A house surgeon skill and consultant surgeon's skill is not same, but standard of care more or less same. So here, simple absence in civil malpractice, only simple absence of reasonable care or skill, not gross lack of skill or gross lack of care, not wanton negligence. These three elements will represent whether it will be civil malpractice or not. In civil malpractice, two major features. In civil, no criminal element will remain. In civil malpractice, no criminal element will remain. That is, this should not be wanton or any violation of the legal provision. No criminal element will be remain, and damage can be compensated by money. That is, damage can be compensated by monetary compensation. Question of civil malpractice, civil arise, patient or his relative in patient death. In the death of patient, sue doctor in a civil court for compensation for injury or death of the patient as the case may be due to negligence of doctor. That is, whenever a patient file a case against a doctor. Secondly, doctors bring a civil suit for realization of his professional fees from the patient or his relative who refused to pay. These two situations, the questions of civil negligence arise. Civil negligence, examples of civil malpractice or civil negligence: failure to examine the patient himself, failure to suggest consultation, failure to warn side effect, failure to communicate a risk of refusal treatment, failure to communicate the risk of the treatment, negligence management procedure, experimental operation without consent, not ordering proper investigation, failure to provide substitute during his absence, giving overdose of medicine or poisonous substance carelessly. These are the situations where the examples of the civil malpractice. Now come the most important of the malpractice. Elements of malpractice. Factors to be proved in a plea of negligence or malpractice. These 4 factors to be proved to get compensation by the patient. That is existence of duty. If the plaintiff body or patient fail to prove your existence of duty, doctor-patient relationship, first he has to prove existence of duty. You are derelict from that duty. This dereliction causes directly damage to the patient. That is direct causation, and these damages is foreseeable. These 4 things to be proved, 4D proved in a plea of malpractice. This is the very much important to get compensation from the doctor by the patient in the question of negligence act. That is, a doctor-patient relationship existed. This to be proved by the patient. Doctor was negligent. এটাও প্রমাণ করতে হবে পেশেন্টকে। ডক্টরস নেগলিজেন্স কজ ইনজুরি এবং সেই ইনজুরিগুলো একটু স্পেসিফিক ড্যামেজ। সেই ড্যামেজ কি হতে পারে? আইদার পার্সোনাল ইনজুরি অর ডিসফিগারমেন্ট, ফিজিক্যাল পেইন, মেন্টাল অ্যাঙ্গুইশ, additional medical bills, lost work or lost earning capacity. Variety of situation lead to medical malpractice claim. Another competent doctor discovered patient illness, made a different diagnosis, which in turn would have lead to better outcome. এটা যদি হয় এছাড়া হতে পারে if treat patient in a way that no other competent doctor would. Doctor select appropriate treatment but administer it incompetently, not adopting the procedure for which informed consent was taken. These are the situation. These are the issues to be proved to be remain in a malpractice suit to get compensation. Now come to the criminal negligence or criminal malpractice. Criminal malpractice, it must be wanton, must be willful negligence. This negligence means act of omission or act of commission. Secondly, when a doctor shows gross lack of skill or gross inattention towards the patient. Gross lack of skill or gross inattention. Violate legal provision, that is, যদি সে criminal abortion practice করতে থাকে, এটা legal provision সে violate করলো, তাহলে সেটা criminal malpractice হবে। Gross lack of skill, gross lack of skill, you can give example. This in apparent death, if your doctor certify death certificate, pronounced death, this is the gross lack of skill, or examples of gross lack of skill. Gross inattention, যদি এরকম ভাবে গ্যাংগ্রিন হয়তো ডান হাতে হয়েছে, সে বাম হাত অ্যাম্পুটেট করে দিচ্ছে, সেটা হলো gross inattention towards patient. These 3 situations, that is wanton or willful negligence, অথবা doctor show gross lack of skill, gross inattention, অথবা violate legal provision. These 3 situations যদি থাকে in the treatment of patient which cause damage to the patient or death of the patient, that will be criminal negligence, criminal malpractice. These cases are dealt in the criminal court. Civil malpractice deal with the civil court. Examples of the criminal negligence: amputation of wrong finger, wrong limb, wrong eye. Operation, remove the wrong eye. Operation on wrong limb, wrong patient. Leaving instrument, tube, sponge, swab, etc. Gross mismanagement of the delivery. Give wrong or infected blood. Injection of basal anesthetics in fatal dose or wrong tissue. Performing criminal abortion, willfully give tight plaster, etc. False certificate. All are examples of the criminal malpractice. Now come to the difference between civil and criminal. Civil only dispute. Civil code only deals with the dispute. Here, the offense, no specific clear violation of the law is needed, but must have a specifically violated a particular criminal law. Negligence, simple absence or care, absence of care or skill. Here, the gross negligence, gross inattention, gross lack of skill, gross wanted negligence, etc. Physician conduct compared to the generally accepted simple standard, not compared to single test. Consent for the act a good defense in case of civil malpractice. Cannot recover damage from the doctor by the patient. Not a defense, can be prosecuted. Trial by the civil malpractice in the civil court, criminal malpractice in the criminal court. Evidence, a strong evidence is sufficient. Guilt should be proved beyond doubt. Punishment, in civil malpractice, liable to pay damage. In criminal case, either fine or imprisonment. Remember this, civil court never give punishment, never give sentence. Civil court only solve the conflict between two persons, that is liable for damage. Some common reasons for medical malpractice claims. Data based on analysis of 10,000, more than 10,000 plus medical professional liability case. সেখান থেকে আছে diagnostic error, surgical procedure, etc. Here is the surgical procedure, diagnostic error, etc. Medication related, patient safety, environment, obstetric related, etc. Now come to the another issue, how we can prevent. What are the preventive measures you can take for professional negligence? Preventive measure. Establish, number one, establish good rapport with the patient, with the patient's family member and other hospital staff, your colleague and other hospital staff. And to building good rapport, এটার কোনো বিকল্প নেই. Secondly, be rational in diagnosis, in management procedure. Number three, keep full, accurate, legible medical record. Obtain informed consent of the patient. Don't criticize any member of the treatment team in front of the patient. Identify, inform the risk, manage and treat the risk. Inform all about the condition, alternative, prognosis, etc. Never guarantee a cure. Complication should be found out and treated. Respect the attitude and autonomy of the patient. Treat with care, compassion, dignity, empathy, and take an humanistic approach. Establish hospital injury prevention program. Maintain your competence by continuing medical education or continuing professional development. Participate in the medical legal seminars. These are the preventive measures that you can take, but that one can take to prevent malpractice. নাও তোমার বিরুদ্ধে যদি ম্যালপ্র্যাকটিস হয়েই যায় তাহলে হোয়াট আর দ্য ডিফেন্স অফ ইউ? ডিফেন্সেস এগেইনস্ট নেগলিজেন্স। যদি কারো কারো কোনো ডাক্তারের বিরুদ্ধে ম্যালপ্র্যাকটিস ইস্যু সুইট হয়ে যায়, কেস হয়ে যায়, সেক্ষেত্রে এগুলি তোমার দিস আর দ্য ইয়োর ডিফেন্স। দ্যাট ইজ তুমি যদি প্রমাণ করতে পারো তোমার এখানে কোনো ডিউটি ছিল না, নো ডিউটি owed to the plaintiff, তাহলে তুমি you will be safe. Duty discharged according to the prevailing standard, তুমি সে যা ডিউটি ডিসচার্জ করেছো সেগুলা রেশনাল অ্যাপ্রোচ তুমি গ্রহণ করেছো। This is a case of misadventure, error of judgment, contributory negligence. Contributory negligence only benefit in the civil malpractice, not criminal malpractice. res judicata, যদি এটা আগে একবার হয়ে থাকে, যদি এটা টাইম 3-4 বছরের বেশি হয়ে যেতে থাকে, these are the defense of a doctor against malpractice। তার বিরুদ্ধে যদি malpractice হয়ে যায় তখন তার ডিফেন্স। Some negligence, therapeutic misadventure, doctoral res ipsa loquitur, product liability, contributory negligence, corporate negligence, vicarious liability, malingering, novus actus intervenence. In the written, this is one of important issue for oral as well as written examination. Now come to the therapeutic misadventure. Misadventure, it is mischance. These are the mischance, accident or disaster, either therapeutic or diagnostic or experimental. Therapeutic, this mischance or accident or disaster occur while treatment, that is known as therapeutic. When an individual injured or died due to some unintentional act of doctor, agent of doctor or the hospital, this is known as therapeutic misadventure. Diagnostic, when the diagnosis is the only objective, that is accident or mischance occur or disaster occur during diagnosis. Experimental, this is in an experimental study. This is very much important. তোমরা এটা ভালো করে পড়ে নেবা, অনেক সময় শর্ট নোটে আসে। This is a great defense for you. Examples of the therapeutic misadventure: hypersensitive reaction, তুমি ইনজেকশন দিলা, হাইপারসেন্সিটিভ রিঅ্যাকশনে পেশেন্টের শক হয়ে মারা গেল, দিস hypersensitive reaction. Excessive administration of antidotes, prolonged use of stilbestrol, সেটা দিয়ে ক্যান্সার, থাইরয়েড ক্যান্সার হয়ে গেল। ইলেকট্রিক ইকুইপমেন্ট, ডিউরিং অপারেশন ইলেকট্রিক ইকুইপমেন্টের কোনো লিক হয়ে সেখান থেকে পুরো ইলেকট্রিফাইড হয়ে গেল, অথবা হট ওয়াটার প্যাড বা হিটিং প্যাড প্রডিউস বার্নিং। ব্লাড ট্রান্সফিউশন, রেডিওলজি প্রসিডিওর ফর ডায়াগনোসিস, এখানে অনেক সময় অনেক ধরনের ক্ষতি হতে পারে। fetal death or neonatal death due to the drug during pregnancy. These are the examples of the therapeutic misadventure. Doctrine res ipsa loquitur, meaning things speaks for itself. অপারেশন করে তুমি গজ ব্যান্ডেজ রেখে দিয়ে আসলা, usually patient has to prove the doctors is negligent, but in this case you have to prove যে না, I am not negligent, আমি যে গজ ব্যান্ডেজ কিংবা সার্জিক্যাল ইনস্ট্রুমেন্ট রেখে আসছি, I am not negligent, এটা ডাক্তারকে প্রমাণ করতে হবে। That is, things speaks as spell. This rule, doctrine res ipsa loquitur, meaning things speaks of itself, this rule will be applied when the following condition will be fulfilled. Without negligence, this cannot be occurred. Patient is not guilty of contributory negligence. Defendant must exclusive control over the instrument that produce injury. এই তিনটা জিনিস থাকলে এই রুলটা অ্যাপ্লাই হবে। Now contributory negligence, অনেক সময় কিন্তু শর্ট নোটে আসে, পরীক্ষার জন্য very much important. Contributory negligence defined as a concurrent negligence by patient as well as doctor resulting in delayed recovery or harm to the patient. The negligence of both parties, that is patient as well as doctor, has contributed to this harm. You can define in this way. Author you can define it, this is any unreasonable conduct or absence of ordinary care on the part of a patient who is combined with the doctor's negligence contribute to injury complained of as a direct proximate cause and without which injury would not occur. এভাবে তুমি বলতে পারো। তো পেশেন্টের দায়িত্ব আছে সেগুলো যেমন পেশেন্ট ডিড নট গিভ কারেক্ট হিস্টোরি, অ্যানেস্থেসিয়া দেওয়ার আগে সে না খেয়ে থাকা সেটা সে বলেনি, সুতরাং সে ডিউরিং অ্যানেস্থেসিয়া ভমিটিং হয়ে সে চকিং হয়ে মারা গেল এটসেট্রা। এখানে পেশেন্ট সে নিজেই তার মানে সে ভুলটা করেছে, তার ক্ষতিটা। In civil malpractice, the great defense for the doctor failed to give an opportunity to examine case properly, did not follow the doctor's instruction regarding drugs, diets or instruction. তো এই সমস্ত সিচুয়েশনে এগুলো হইতে পারে contributor negligence. Now come to the product liability. Product liability, it may result from unexpected by the product of faulty, defective, negligently designed medical or surgical instrument or inadequate operating instrument. এই কারণে যদি ক্ষতি হয়, physical agent that cause injury or death of the patient during the treatment by the doctor, তো সেটা হতে পারে এই সমস্ত কারণে। এখানে ম্যানুফ্যাকচার অফ ড্রাগ বা ইনস্ট্রুমেন্ট তারা রেসপন্সিবল, নট ডক্টর। তুমি যদি প্রমাণ করো যে প্রোডাক্ট লায়াবিলিটি, this is therapeutic measure, this is a great defense in case of malpractice suits against a doctor. Now come to the corporate negligence. Corporate is the failure to those persons who are responsible for providing the accommodation, facility and treatment to follow the established standard of conduct. সাধারণত কর্পোরেট হাসপাতাল প্রধান এর জন্য রেসপন্সিবল, ইঞ্জিনিয়ার ডাক্তার হবে as well as example hospital provide defective equipment or drug, সেক্ষেত্রে কর্পোরেট নেগলিজেন্স হিসেবে গণ্য হবে। select, retain and incompetent employees, সেক্ষেত্রেও হসপিটাল কর্তৃপক্ষ দায়ী হবে। fails in some manner to meet the accepted standard of care and such failure result in injury to the patient to whom the hospital owes the duty. This is corporate negligence. Vicarious responsibility, vicarious liability. Employer is not only responsible for his own negligence, that is omission and commission, but also responsible for the negligence of his sub-employees. That is, let the master answer. এই থিওরি অনুসারে এটা প্রযোজ্য। Suppose during operation, principal surgeon not only responsible for his omission and commission, but also responsible all the omission and commission of his treatment team, like nurse, like other doctors, assistant and other doctors. All the omission and commission of the treatment team, সেটার জন্য প্রিন্সিপাল সার্জন, সেটাকেই বলা ভিকারিয়াস রেসপন্সিবিলিটি। তো এখানে in such act occur in the course of employment and within its scope by the principle of let the master answer. This is vicarious responsibility. এটা তোমার অ্যাপ্লাই হবে যখন এই তিনটা জিনিস থাকবে। there must be employer employee relationship. Usually nurse, she is the staff of the hospital, but during operation he is also the servant of the principal surgeon. That is why employer employee relationship থাকতে হবে এখানে একটা। the employee conduct must occur within the scope of employment, এটা প্রমাণ করতে হবে। আর while on job, এই তিনটা জিনিস থাকলে vicarious responsibility সেটা প্রমাণিত হবে। now come to the malingering. malingering সম্পর্কে কিন্তু অনেক সময় is very much important, অনেক শর্ট নোট আসে। these are conscious planned feigning or pretending a disease for the sake of gain. Reason, soldier এবং policeman to avoid duties, prisoner to avoid hard work or punishment, businessman to avoid business contract, workman to claim compensation, beggars to attract public sympathy, criminal to avoid legal responsibility, disease, pain, dyspepsia, colic, এগুলো সাধারণত ডায়াবেটিস মেলাইটাস হতে পারে, আলসার হতে পারে, অপথ্যালমালজিয়া, লাম্বোগিয়া, ব্রুইজ, ভিটিলিগো এটসেট্রা, এগুলো হতে পারে। তোমরা কিন্তু এখানে নবাস এক ক্লাস ইন্টারমিডিয়েটটা পড়ে নেবা। আর যেহেতু সময় বেশি নাই, আজানের সময় হয়ে গেছে, সুতরাং আমাকে তাড়াতাড়ি যেতে হলো। আই এম ভেরি মাচ সরি ফর দ্যাট। ইফ এনি কোয়েশ্চেন, please contact with me, and go through a study, and it is a very much important issue in your day-to-day life, and you have to conversant with this. You have to um, take measure to prevent yourself. আর পরীক্ষার জন্য একটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট বিশেষ করে ডেফিনেশন, difference between civil criminal malpractice as well as element that is to be proved in a plea of malpractice, examples of civil criminal malpractice, preventive measure হয়ে গেলে ডিফেন্স, এবং the some negligence যেগুলো ছিল সেগুলো। দিস ইজ, থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ। আসসালামু আলাইকুম রহমতুল্লাহ। আমি এখানে শেষ করলাম। তো তোমরা আরো এটা পড়ে নিও। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।